Let me see the feather. Yay for them. I wish we knew whose eggs it was.
I know it.
That's the second egg today. You checked both boxes?
Yeah, the other box there ain't nothing but crap inside of some of them.
It's still warm.
Yeah, it's still warm.
Oh.